A retail company tracks the average number of online orders placed per hour across its website. The following data represent the orders per hour for 10 different time slots. So here we have the 10 different time slots. Over here are the number of orders per hour displayed in classes or intervals, and then we have the percentage of orders for those classes or intervals. So now with those percentages, we're going to create a histogram and a polygon for the percentage distribution. So down here, we're going to take each of those percentages and create a histogram. A histogram is like a bar graph, except the bars touch. So the first class is 1 to less than 5, and the percentage is 10%. So I'm going to create a bar for that class going to 10%. The next class is also 10%. So those bars are the same height. The third class, 9 to less than 13, is 30%. The next class has a percentage of 20%. The class following that, 17 to less than 21, is also 20%. The class of 21 to less than 25 is 0%. So we don't have a bar here. Sometimes I'll see different books just draw a line on 0%, but either way it's fine. And then the last percentage is 10%. So here's our histogram. Now for our polygon, we're going to draw a dot in the middle of each of these bars on the histogram. And then we're going to connect each one of these dots with a line. So we're going to draw a line from the first 2 bars. We're going to draw a line from the second bar to the third bar, down to the fourth bar, across to the fifth bar, down to 0%, and then back up to the dot on the last bar. So now we've constructed our histogram and our polygon. So again, in order to create the histogram, we're going to create bars that touch, that represent the percentages for each of the classes. And then to wrap it up, we place dots in the middle of each of those bars and connect them to create the polygon. And now we're done.